kind of all over the place with the orientation of this video. As you can see, I'm in the middle of doing the wiring right now, but I didn't really touch on the box or mounting the box. It's pretty straightforward, but I know that was kind of intimidating when I first started looking at this thing. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put this bracket on they give you, which mounts here, which is like an old dash mount location. And then there's a plate. So here's part of the plate. See that edge? They give you a big plate that you'll bolt in. So you see that bolt back there? That's one of them. I'll walk around to the other side and show you the front side. So that's the front side plate. So what you'll end up doing is there's a lip that goes around the old box. Mine was a non-AC car. So I flattened the lip out, put some silicone sealer around it, around the perimeter so it's watertight. Put some sound deadening on the little cutout, and then just boom, bolt it up. 2 of these bolts, so that bolt down there and that one up there. I believe this one as well. They act like studs where the box mounts onto. So yeah, I mean, I'm a little, again, all over the place, but I'm trying to do this in parts and pieces so they're clear, each one, because there's a lot going on here. So yep, back to it. I gotta run this bulkhead, these lines for this bulkhead right here. Okay, so what I did was just put the plate up, and the hose will slide into the fitting, and of course all this crap everywhere, I lost the fitting. It'll slide in, so you can just slide it in the fitting and then have it tightened in that bulkhead. And I put the line up to the fitting it's going to go to, which is that brass one. Comes down at a 90 right there. And then I'm going to kick it out like this. Alright, so we're going to tighten up these. I'll show you closer, but basically I had to mock up all these inside lines, and now I'm getting ready to final put this up in that hole for the bulkhead, and then like connect all the fittings and stuff. So yeah, so again, it's just a piece of PVC plastic that I had. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is tighten them as they are on there like that, and then that way I can snake this up into the hole right there and get it up out of there, because there's no way I'm gonna reach my hand in there and tighten it. So I'm gonna tighten it like that and then put it up and mount it up. Okay, so these lines are done. So heater hose is cut. I just bought some silicone hose from Summit. These are all crimped both sides. So the -6, the -10. Yeah, there's the bulkhead. So the bulkhead's made out of PVC. So basically like that. And then here's the bulkhead. One of the bolts I didn't put in, but that's basically it. Alright, so we are in. This is kind of a sneak peek. I'd put a sneak peek video of the interior a while ago. I was like, when I had like 20 subscribers. So yeah, it's in. So you cut out the factory back plate. They give you a template, and it comes with a black like a bulkhead for the interior. You can see kind of it up here. I just use this plastic foam for insulation to keep the water and the air out, and drilled holes in this, and then used the grommets they gave me because the lines were binding in the factory piece that they gave me, and yeah, it sucked. So hooking it up to the box, it would bind. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put the box up. Alright, so it is in. I'm going to use my phone to level it off. Then I got to hook up the drain line, the vents, and then I'm going to connect all the lines in the front. So I'm going to do the front lines now. Back to it. Alright, so everything's tightened up. AC mechanical side is 100% done. So I'm going to go over it one time now, and then the next video will be all the wiring. So I still got to figure that out, whether I'm just going to use the trinary switch, blah blah blah. Anyways, I'll get to that in the next video. So mechanical's done, so let's go over it. Please excuse all the noise. Everyone's out here doing their thing. So dash 8 comes out into the condenser. Dash 6 comes out, comes through the bulkhead there, around into the dryer. Trinary switch comes out, boom. This is dash 8 still, or I think it's dash 6. Then these are just the heater hoses, come around, boom, into the fittings, down there. Now to the inside. Okay, so then in the inside, can't really see. They come out there. So the dash, again, I'm forgetting if it's 6 or 8, but it goes into here. If you want to know the sizes, just look back at the other videos. I know these ginormous fat ass ones are the dash 10. Heater hose. One heater line, there's another heater line. I put the controller inside the car, which I wouldn't recommend because changing that's gonna suck, and I'm pretty sure that goes off pretty often. Yeah, and then now to the fun part, the wiring. I got to tighten the box down because, as you've seen, I took it out. It was just easier to take it out and tighten the lines while it was out than trying to wiggle under the dash and stuff. So next video is the wiring. You know, appreciate all the support like usual. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, back to it.